Hello everyone. So in this video we'll be talking about how to incorporate a C Corp in California, USA. As first of all we will have to come to the Secretary of State website of California, USA. Over there we will see such kind of web page. So under the heading of business entities there are many options for incorporation. So for a while we will select the register a business corporation LLC and this limited liability option. So after coming to this page, it will just take few seconds to load. So first of all, let me tell you that I have already created a free account over this website. So it is recommended and mandatory to everyone to form this account. It will be formed just by giving your name and email ID. So nothing else. You don't have to give your phone numbers if you don't want so. So after coming here we will first of all like look forward for the type of organization we are looking out to incorporate. There are many options like LLC and different type of corporations and or for non-profit corporation. But for a while we will register with this type of normal corporation. And as we know, the filing fees is zero in the California. That's why it is very recommended for everyone to uh, incorporate their company in California if they want to. So these are the steps which are required to be fulfilled you wanna uh, while you want to incorporate a company in California. So these are some of the steps, so we can read them and go accordingly. So let us start. All filing and contents are available to the public. You do not have a right to confidential. Let's it's just privacy volume. So let's just give. So just accept, read it whole, and yeah, just accept it, and we will just proceed to the next layer. And here we will fill up our details of like our name and all the details. It's like my very wrong, and whatever the details it is required, like this email I have already given, so I'm using it. That's it. So there is an option like I have reserved a name, so I have not reserved. So like we can incorporate anything by any name like carrot, potato. So let's see if it is available or not. Mm, yep, yeah, we can fill any address. We can, uh, yeah. So this is the initial street address. So before giving this address, let me tell you, there's option of agent for service or process. There's agent we all need to hire in the state of California while putting up our business. So it is recommended to fill that detail only. So we can like put all the those details and all the addresses. For a while I'm not putting my address and details. So now there is option like are there directors to be named in this article of corporation, like it is like a bit mandatory. I from my side it is mandatory, but yeah, you can go without it as well for a while, but yeah, you will have to name them after some time. So over here you have to put the number of shares you wanna give, like any number of shares or so, or does the share of have more class of shares? No, they do not have. Like I don't have to like current date for the today's date. You just have to select and go for attachment. This for this attachment is generally of bylaws. For you are recommended to attach the bylaws over here. And after this process, actually this attachment is not compulsory for a while. You can do it at the later stage as well. So yeah, I have also forgot to tell you about the agent for services or process. Like you can search on Google anywhere, for California registered corporate agent, and there will be ample amount of options of corporations and individual. You can choose any of them. So after this, there is an option of filing, giving signature of like incorporator and business owner. So it is like only one incorporator is required. So the person who is incorporating, need to give his signature and upload it over here. And there's the now it is going to complete. So it is like the processing fees page. The initial processing fees is the $0 for submitted. Yes, this is not relevant. The annual minimum tax. Yeah, it is like, it is not that, it's not about it's like processing fees, it is generally zero. But if you are like creating some more extra things, then you will have to, if you're picking some advantages, you will have to pay extra. Like in a standard packet, you will not be charged anything. But if you pick any priority options, then you will have to pay the premium. For me, I think the standard, for my general experience, I can tell that in the standard option, it only take around a week. So it is like recommended. If you have SAM, so just wait and save your money. And then comes the last step. So after file, document, or send for signature, actually I need to complete all these backlogs. Then only I can uh, come back to this step. But as it is all cleared up, and over in this option there's nothing special we need to fill up. So for a while, yeah, you can incorporate a company in such a easy and a good way, because it's California, USA, and everything is easier for the business. So, and yeah, if you wanna pause the process for a while, you can just save a draft option and you will get back to the point where you have left. So, yes, guys, thank you for listening to my video, and I hope you all liked it and it was very informative to you all. Thank you so much.